Nothing. The UK-based company led by Carl Pei is taking the smartphone world by storm. With a growing lineup of devices, Nothing is catering to a wide range of users. Whether you're a power user looking for advanced performance or someone who just needs a reliable phone for everyday tasks, the brand is creating a space for itself by offering thoughtful design, useful features, and a fresh take on what a smartphone should deliver. Now, a big news is coming in about the CMF Phone 2 Pro, and you are going to love it. But before we dive in, please like and subscribe our channel. It really means a lot to us. Nothing's sub-brand CMF is all set to launch its latest smartphone in India on April 28th at 6:30 p.m., and there's already a buzz surrounding one major decision. Unlike most big tech brands that have stopped including chargers with their phones, CMF is doing the opposite. Akis Evangelidis, the head of Nothing India, confirmed that the CMF Phone 2 Pro will ship with a charging adapter in the box. This announcement came directly in response to a user request on social media X, formerly known as Twitter, and Evangelidis replied by saying, "We heard you, my man," giving it a go with CMF Phone 2 Pro in India. It's a small but impactful move that sets CMF apart from brands like Apple, Samsung, and Google, all of which have excluded chargers in recent years. The CMF Phone 2 Pro is expected to go on sale via Flipkart, an Indian e-commerce platform. But that's not all. Nothing might unveil 3 more products during the event, including the CMF Buds 2, CMF Buds 2A, and CMF Buds 2 Plus. Although full specs of the phone haven't been shared yet, a recent teaser has revealed its back panel design. The phone will feature a plastic frame with a visible screw on the rear, highlighting a slightly industrial look. The finish combines gloss and matte textures, with the CMF by Nothing logo placed neatly in the corner, giving it a clean and distinctive appearance. This new model is expected to improve upon its predecessor, the CMF Phone 1, offering a better overall experience for users. Meanwhile, Nothing has released a new software update for its Phone 3A and Phone 3A Pro. The update introduces a feature called Camera Capture, which allows users to take photos of text and instantly extract useful information from them. It's a handy tool designed to make capturing and using important details even easier, especially for students who can't afford high-end smartphones but still need practical and powerful features. Nothing is proving to be a game changer. It's bringing those must-have functions without the premium price tag, making sure you don't have to miss out. So don't worry, my friend. Nothing has got your back. And just like them, we've got you covered with all the latest tech updates. With thoughtful changes like including a charger and introducing practical new features, CMF is clearly focused on giving users more value and functionality with its upcoming launch. What are your thoughts about the CMF Phone 2 Pro? Do you think Nothing is doing a great job by catering to every user segment with its offerings? Let us know in the comments. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.